Hello everyone, thank you all for stopping by. Today we're making a Rice Krispie treat. Yes, this is fun to make and your children or family or friends would love it. Especially in this holiday season, we're going to be making a lot of treats for the children, especially to make this season a beautiful season for the children. So today we're making this very healthy, is family friendly, is children friendly, vegan friendly, and very delicious. Okay, so vegan friendly. If you're vegan, you would love this too. Yes. So if you don't mind, if you're ready, we can all do this together. If you want to follow along at home, you can. So let's get started. Right here, I have my Rice Krispie that I'm going to be using, and I have my bowl. Then first off, I'm getting some peanut butter into my little container that I'm going to be popping into the microwave oven. So it depends on how your microwave is programmed, but mine, I'm going to be putting it for less than 30 seconds just to make it liquidy. So like I said, I'm going to be making some treats this period for all you treat lovers. So right here, I'm adding just a little bit of salt, and that's my vanilla flavoring. I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla into my mixture, and then I'm adding some coconut oil also. And I'll just mix that quickly. When I first saw this treat, I just said, you know what? I was just thinking, I said, let's just be creative. So I just told myself, I said, I think I can do this by taking the classic Rice Krispie and stepping it up a notch and making a crispy holiday treat. And I believe that your children are going to love this, your family. It's going to be a fun game for the children, obviously, when you bring the Rice Krispie and bring everybody together and you make it all together. So right there, I already popped in some of the Rice Krispie, and our peanut butter mixture. I'm going to empty that into the bowl also. And then I'm going to mix everything together. So right here I have my glass container. I'm putting a foil paper. You can feel free to use any container of your choice. And that's our Rice Krispie treat. Into the bowl you go, you delicious treat. So we're going to be pressing this down. As you can see, I left a little bit of the foil paper out to enable me to pop out the Rice Krispie when it's cooled down, because I'm going to be pressing this and make sure it's flat and neat, since we're going to be putting another topping. So I just left a little bit outside, a little bit of the foil paper, to enable me to handle it and pick it up. So now it's already done. I'm going to leave this for about 30 minutes. You can leave it in the fridge. Now it's time to grab our chocolate. Yes, this is where I keep my chocolates. I save them. I don't eat them, but I just save them here. It's fun to just look at them. So that's why I got this container and I saved them. So right now I'm going for the dark chocolates, because that's the topping we're using for this Rice Krispie treat. So guys, I want to say thank you all for coming to my channel. Thank you all for watching my videos. My subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you all. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do so for more delicious treats coming from this channel, okay? Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Feel free to share my videos too. Thank you. So right here I have some of the chocolates into my bowl, and here you have to watch it. I'm popping this into the microwave for less than 30 seconds. Okay? And our Rice Krispie treat, I just brought it out of the casserole. This is our chocolate. I'll make sure I mix it, and I'm going to be pouring it on top. Look at how liquidy that looks. Oh, it looks so delicious and so inviting. So I'm going to be pouring that on top of our Rice Krispie as the first topping. So down you go, you delicious chocolate sweetness. Look at that. Oh, you chocolate lovers, I know you would love this. So I'm just gonna use maybe a knife or whatever you have to spread that chocolate evenly on top of the Rice Krispie. And work fast at this moment. I'm melting some more peanut butter and just make something like a swirl on top, like so. So make sure your peanut butter is already prepared. The moment you finish pouring the chocolate, just make this the next. Do it fast before the chocolate hardens up. And I'm going to just grab something like a toothpick, or you can use maybe any tiny skewer, and just draw some lines. Feel free to leave it the way it is, but I'm just doing this, just to give it a little bit of design on top. So this is it, guys. It's as simple, as easy as this. So I hope you enjoy this delicious treat, this delicious Rice Krispie. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave a delicious comment down in the comment section, and may God bless you. I hope to see you again soon in another video by God's grace. Thank you all. God bless you. Bye.